Window removal, 2000 Ford F150. Tools recommended will be an 11mm socket, a 6-inch extension, a ratchet. We use the battery for our power tools and some wire. You'll need to start by removing the inner door panel, covered in another video. With the inner door panel removed, remove the vapor barrier. The window can be moved into position by powering up the back of the motor. We use the battery from our power tools and a couple of pieces of wire to power the motor to move it into position so that we could remove the window. Insert the wires through the back of the connector. Connecting them in one direction causes the window to go up. Switching the wires to the other direction makes the window go down. Move the window into position so that you can access the fasteners through these openings. Use an 11mm socket to remove the fasteners. Next, remove the weather stripping from the top of the door. Then remove the rear window run channel. With this part of the run channel removed, you can then disconnect the window from the motor regulator assembly. With the window disconnected, lift it up and out through the front door opening.